honestly, I old my shorts. Here's the camera. I decided to take it apart to find out why it wasn't working. Took the motherboard and everything done. He took this piece out, along with these. It's actually pretty interesting how it ticks. Screen. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put these back together, but we found out it won't work properly because it was somehow ripped. So it's no longer gonna work or anything like that. But this thing here has a little rip right there. But it's more like a clean rip somehow. I don't know why, but it's